Hi, 8th graders, it's Mrs. Levitt, finally making another video because I have my voice back and all is well. So today, excuse me, we are going to be talking about multiplying and dividing signed numbers right here. So go ahead and get out your ISNs. This is going to be the title of your ISN, the next page of your ISN rather. Yeah, we're going to dive into the lesson right about now. Okay, so we have a couple of rules. The first being if you have an even amount of negative signs, that word is supposed to be signs, S-I-G-N-S, that's going to be, your answer is going to be a positive number. Okay. If the second rule is if we have an odd amount of negative signs, then we're going to have a negative number. Okay, so we can demonstrate this by doing the following. Let's say we have 4 times negative 2. Okay. That in parentheses. Okay, 4 times negative 2. Okay, all right, if we look back at our rules, then we see that, okay, it has an odd amount of negative signs because it only has one in the equation, so that means it's going to be an odd number. Okay, so it's going to be an odd number, so it's going to be a negative answer. So we can go ahead and put our negative right there in the answer. So then we multiply like normal. So 4 times 2, it's going to be 8. So that is a negative 8. Okay. Let's say that we have a different equation. Looks a little something like this. Let's say we have 2 times negative 7 times negative 2. Okay. Okay. All right. So we have 2 times negative 7 times negative 2. Okay, so here's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to go ahead and pause the video and work that out all by yourselves using our rules right up here, and then come back to the video here in just a little bit. Okay, awesome. So if we look back up at our rules, we see that rule number one says if there's an even amount of negative signs, then it's going to be a positive answer. So if we go back to our equation, oh, look at that, 1, 2, 2 is an even number, there are 2 negative signs, so we know that this is going to be a positive answer. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and write my positive sign for the answer, and then we just multiply like normal from left to right, because that's what order of operations tells us to do. So we have 2 times 7, and that's going to be 14. Okay, so then 14 times 2, that's going to be, I'm going to go ahead and write it back down here. So 14 times 2, that's going to be 28. So our answer is going to be a positive 28. Okay. Well, that's pretty much the long and short of this lesson. If you just follow these rules right up here, then you shouldn't have any problem with any of the equations. So be sure you have these down in your ISN. I will check for these tomorrow. And if you have any questions, be sure to circle those questions, and we'll talk about them in class. Okay, hope you guys have a happy Monday. Welcome back from the break, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Bye-bye.